my numbers, my both lines, Airtel and MTN. I and my mom will be going to the MTN and Airtel office to update my new number. Hi guys.
Hi.
Long time no vlog, long time no long video content on YouTube. I have been posting consistently on Facebook, but for YouTube I just find it lazy to post here on YouTube, like to post vlogs on YouTube, because it's not playing, it's not giving me what I want. Why is it sweat? I think water from my hair. So yeah, today is Tuesday, 10th of September 2024, and I and my mom will be going to the MTN and Airtel office to update my new number. My numbers, my both lines, Airtel and MTN, have been bad for my Airtel got bad for like 2 months, so I've been banking on just my MTN. That's my mom over there. So I've been banking on just my MTN SIM card for 2 months now, and all of a sudden on Saturday, I think I just received a notification saying my MTN has been bad. So I am left with no number, no line, no network. I still have to use my mom's phone to hotspot. Listen. I don't get money for account. My own. Okay. I don't know your account number. So I still have to use my mom's phone to hotspot my phone before I'll be able to log in. I don't know how this vlog will go, if I'll be able to finish it, if I'll be able to I don't just know. But let's shall go. I hope you all are fine. Please drop a comment in the comment section to welcome me back to YouTube space. I want to get serious with my life. Honestly. So let me show you outfit for today. It's just this free one-piece gown, very free, with long sleeve, a small veil and a cap. Wearing just a flat shoe, nothing serious. Sorry, I'm looking at myself instead of the camera. I love wearing simple dresses, so let's go, babies.
Okay, I just say Moshi. Maybe no know say na Moshi call me. Okay, how children? I think what you do for the science now.
Give me even if na 5K now.
Very much, yeah. Abdul Salam don't finish today. They eat well now. What of this Mubarak?
Mehdi, send me 5K now, please. So, the sun is on my face and I can't even open my eyes. The reason why I am a bit tolerant to this sun is because of my shade, my glasses. It's photochromic. Whenever I get into the sun, it becomes dark. So guys, my mom planted maize this year. She planted maize, beans. If you can't see, you'd see beans in between each maize. So she planted beans and maize, and then where you say they planted this potato, this one, and then sweet potato on this one. Sweet potato. Really? They still there.
They're not come out well finished.
Okay, but they will get this thing.
They're supposed to be like this now.
Okay. What of beans?
This one I planted, whether na chicken, whether na rats, now they remove them for ground. I don't know. They're not come out well.
Anyway, my mom planted this year, and I'm so proud of her. So it's just like behind the house, small scale farming, Abi. Yeah, small scale farming.
You want to leave your national agriculture?
They ask I go see the general, they go say go do this thing, just go.
So when I got to the MTN office, after checking through my details, I didn't mention the SIM was originally for my mom and not for me. What that means is she bought it herself and also registered it with her details. Our initial plan was to actually change those details to mine instead of my mom's, and that was why she had to come with me, thinking she would be needing some...
No, 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 I don't think so. No, 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 it's never, ever, 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 ever gonna happen. I don't think so. No, 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 I don't think so. No, 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 it's never, ever, 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 ever gonna happen. I don't think so. No, 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 no. Maybe someday you'll have it your way. Maybe someday it'll all work out. Until then, nope, a nope, a nope, a nope, definitely nope, a nope, nope, a nope. Probably never, ever, 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 ever gonna happen. Oh no.
The hats. Do you like me? Sorry, you look at me? Do you want to marry me? Anyway. Me kace za da in biya ko? So meaning ni kadai zan dauki risks din ki. To in bai yi ba fa da kyau ya za a yi shi ne nake tambayan ka. Raba to. Aka din siya lokaci sai na danna wayan sosai, screen din sosai kafin yayi. Me?
Namu ya kare. Sai za ki je sama ka je.
Zan je sama. So at this point, we were done with everything and we were on our way home. Guys, so fans, my people, I am back home. So I have seen this thing on my face, on my lips. So I am back home. Why is it dark? So I am back home and this is after 11, 16 minutes past 11, and I just came back. I was able to do both my SIM cards, my 2 SIM cards, my MTN and my Airtel. For the Airtel, it's opened already. I can now make use of it. Why for the MTN, they said I have to wait for 1 hour. It's over 1 hour though, but he said I should give it more time, that it takes time for MTN SIM cards to be open, to open. Is quite early. This is 7:42 and I have decided to get the house cleaned up a little bit. For the past few months now, we've not had any maid or any aiki as they call it here in the north. We've not had any aiki, so I have literally been the one So I have been the one doing most of the work at home, most of the house chores. And if you know me, you know I don't like house chores. House chores is not my thing at all. So I really envy and admire those that are really into house chores. That if they see their house dirty, they cannot survive it. But for me, so I've decided, like you've watched, I've decided to like soak. Let me use that word: soak the toilet or the bathroom with Kicks. Is it Kicks or Kick? And Viva detergent. So it will be easier for me to just like scrub off the dirt or stains that will be there later on. So I'll give it like 1 hour, move to my dad's bathroom, soak theirs too, and then give it 1 hour, then come back and get. So that's what I'm about doing. And probably sweep some parts of the house that I can, because you don't expect me to do everything at once. I'm not, like I said, I'm not a house chore person. So you expect me to clean this whole house in just 1 day? It's not possible. I'm not.
I don't think so. No, 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 no. I don't think so. No, 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 no. It's never, ever, 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 ever gonna happen. I don't think so. No, 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 no. I don't think so. No, 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 no. It's never, ever, 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 ever gonna happen. I don't think so. No, 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 no.